Hi guys, RETROCENGO here. How are you doing? I was planning on making a video about this Amiga silent drive. My first external floppy drive for my Amiga 600 did cost 900 Danish kroners. It was so expensive, I was a little kid. But you guys, you are writing almost one thing. Unanimously. You want more videos that's called Amiga Talk. I have made different episodes with this Amiga Talk where I actually just talk. Not interested in what's going on at the screen, guys. Amiga Talk videos is just when you're driving your car. Let the Amiga Talk video just play in the background when you're making dinner, cleaning up, whatever. Some Amiga Talk in the background. So I actually like making them, and I'm actually surprised over the response. So let's make another Amiga Talk video. I don't know, 10 minutes long, whatever. So this video, nothing is interested to watch. So just listen, turn up the audio and just listen, okay? Nothing interested on the screen. So if the screen is just one simple picture, it is just one picture. Okay. 2 seconds, guys. I just want something in the background. Rambo Island. Yeah. Today's topic, the future of the Amiga, because it's actually pretty fun to read so many different opinions about the Amiga's future. And I want to share my opinion about it because some of you guys I agree with and some others we are thinking different about it. So some people is talking about the next generation of Amiga user, the next gen. Let your kids grow up with the Amiga, show it to the next generation, let them try and be Amiga users just like their dads or mothers, whatever. Just like we are right now. Some are talking about the prices, so we're going into that also. Amiga as an investment, we're going to go into that also. So yeah, we have about 10 minutes of video. Let me just tell you how I feel, what I think will happen. And if you agree or disagree, just let me read your comment on the comments down below. I read everything. I don't have time for answer, sorry guys, but I love your comments. I love them, especially when it's from the, same returning subscribers. That makes me so happy. All right, we're talking about the future of the Amiga, the next generation. Guys, my opinion, there is no next generation. I am so sorry. I think it's a dream. There is no next gen. Our kids are not growing up with an Amiga 500 just like we did back in the 80s, early 90s. This was the best. Nothing could compare with the Amiga. Nothing. Maybe it's the SID chip on Commodore 64. That was a Commodore product also, but Amstrad and those PCs with built-in speaker, nothing could compare with this. Here in Denmark, we just love the Commodore Amiga. We grew up with it. Yeah, there were some consoles like Sega and Nintendo, but I don't know. Their games were just so expensive, and you know how it was with Amiga gaming. So, dreaming about next generation. Yeah, my kid loves to play Amiga 2-player together with me. And I'm sure your kids love to play with their parents also 2-player games. But this dream about next generation Amiga user, come on. I mean, it ain't gonna happen, okay? It ain't gonna happen. So that's just how I feel. I do what I can. I have introduced the Amiga for my son. I have introduced it to some of his friends when they come over. They play Bubble Bobble, they play Bomberman, and they actually like it. But talking about a whole next generation, it's a dream of ours, but it ain't gonna happen. Now, we're old guys. Amiga users today, people between what, 40 and 60? I don't know if a 60-year-old guy sits down and plays Amiga. I'm not sure, guys. Yeah, it's the demographic of the Amiga, I think, 40 and 60 years old. What's gonna happen in 15 years? We're gonna get old, man. Some of us are gonna die. Okay. So if we just include the prices, the investment, I have got, subscribers, friends through YouTube. Buy Amiga. Look at the prices 2 years ago. Look at the prices today. Think about in 15 years, it's the best investment. Buy Amiga stuff, put it in a storage, and just let the price go higher and higher. No, absolutely not. In 15 years, we're old. Okay, some of us are dead. Okay, yesterday a friend picked up his neighbor's CD32. He had some sort of expansion box. I think he said Paradox or what he said. I'm gonna review it. He picked that up and some, joypads and games. They were a Commodore 128D model. He picked that up and we were talking and he said, he said that the owner was a neighbor, not a friend, but just a neighbor, an old man. He died and his wife gave all the Amiga stuff to my friend through YouTube here in Denmark. And he said to me, it's scary, man. Amiga people are dying out there. We're so old. It was just so depressing, man. That phone call, it was like, in the beginning I was like, oh, congratulations, CD32 is a nice console and stuff like that. And he just started talking about this. And that led me to think, he's absolutely right. We're old people. Yeah. So thinking about Amiga as an investment, my thoughts. I think in about 15 years, maybe sooner, I don't know, it will all crash. Some years ago, I don't know, back in 2000 or something like that, I remember these Amigas were just thrown out. I didn't want to pick them up. Nobody wanted them, and they were just everywhere. They were just garbage, worthless. I know we love them today, but that situation is gonna happen again. In 15 years, we're all old, and we don't have the next. 10-year-old kids are not making memories, and when they are 25 years old, they're not going to go out and hunt for Amigas. If you think so, I respect that, but this is just my opinion, okay? This is my opinion. I don't feel like these are investments at all. At all. I geeked out back in 2018 and 19, bought Amiga 4000s, 3000s, 2000s, 1000s, restored them. I dropped working out, I dropped everything, and I was just restoring Amigas. I was crazy about it. I had so much passion, and now I have found out If I have 3 Amiga 4000s, I don't have 3 times more fun. An Amiga 4000 gives me nothing compared to my Amiga 1200. In no way. So what I did, all those high-end Amigas, I gave it to a guy and he gave me a pinball machine. Pinball machines are expensive, guys. The pinball hobby is much bigger hobby for me than playing games on consoles or, retro stuff. And I'm happy they're all gone. My Amiga friend says it's the worst thing you could do. You should hide them for 15 years. And I'm like, no, I don't feel like that. That's my opinion. Now I have more time. I don't have to repair stuff all the time. And Amiga 4000s, they are beautiful computers. I love them, but I don't need to have 3 of them. Okay, this is me personal. I don't think they will be, 10,000 euros worth in 15 years. I don't feel like that. So, yeah, this is my opinion, guys. This is Amiga Talk part whatever. We're over 600 videos. Can you believe it, guys? So I'm really interested to read about your opinion. The future of Amiga. Where is the Amiga 15 years from now? What do you think? I mean, don't be a joyless guy about it, okay? Just I respect all the opinions. You don't have to correct my opinion, my thoughts. I'm interested in knowing what you think. So that's the first question. The next one in this Amiga Talk episode is, where's the prices in 15 years? I mean, will they keep on climbing up, or will they be worthless in 15 years? Nobody wants them. All right. Rainbow 3. Search the enemy for. Yeah. Yeah. So if you think that kids that play Fortnite today, you show them this, they will think, wow, this is impressive. I don't think so. I mean, it's perfect for me. I love it. Yeah, listen to this. Volume. All right, that's enough. Okay. Yeah. Oh, we need much more. Yeah. Come on, Rainbow. Yeah. The music, Paula, oh my goodness, I love this. Oh. Wait, is it like this? Yeah. Arrows, I have no arrows. I need to find some arrows. Yeah. Stab in the head. Yeah. Arrows. Hello. Yeah. All right. 99 arrows. Nice. Oh, listen to that. Boom. This is great. Oh, the music. Get the hell out of here. It's great. Oh no. Rambo panicked. Oh no. I'm out of here. Yeah. What a beautiful game, man. I love it. I love this. Alright guys, I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. And I'm looking forward to hear your opinion about the stuff I have been talking about. Until next time, I hope you will share my videos. Have a great day out there, guys. Bye. They just walk in me and die? Oh, look at this. Oh, stuck. I'll just walk into them. Yeah. I'm gonna sleep now. Bye. Oh, Terminator.